We studied about the basic internet concept and the www and internet and what's the difference between www and internet. So today we are going to study about some internet terminologies, some terminologies related to internet. So these are the client, server, web page, website, web portal, web browser, web client, URL, and blog, blogger, blogging, news group and email. So here first one is client. So client means any computer on the network that requires service from another computer on the internet. It is called a client. So yesterday we studied about what you mean by network. Network means two or more systems are connected together to form a network. So on this network, one computer or any other computer that requests any service from another computer. So that is a client. That is called client computer. So those computer that receive that request is called a server. So server take the request from the client and the server process on that request and send the output back to the client. That is the working of client server. So client means any computer on the network that requests service from another computer on the internet. Server means in the other hand any computer that receive the request from the client computer and process that request and send the output. So one of the example of server is web server. Web server means web server respond to the web related request. For example, if you want to display a web page, first we send a request to the web server, then the web server handle that request and we can get that particular page to our web browser. It is called a web server. So these are the basic concept of web client and server concept. So next one is web page. Web page means any digital page or document hosted on the internet. So it can available or accessible via internet. So that is called web page. So any digital page or document hosted on the internet. Second one is website. Website means collection of interconnected web pages designed with a certain goal in mind. So here in every business companies or any others our school contain website. So website means there's a collection of different web pages, means interconnected web pages. So each website having one home page. So after that home page we can move to the next page like that. It is an interconnected web pages. That is called a website. So another concept is called a web portal. Portal means portal means through this portal we can get the more information like that. The website or the web service that offer a broad array of resources such as email portal, forms portal, search engines are the example. So like for example MSN, Yahoo, India Times, or there are news portals are there, email portals are there. So through these portals, so it is an entry point only. So from that portal we can get more information. It's a broad array of resources. Array of resources means it contains more resources of that particular topic like email or forms and news group, etc. like that, news portals. So here next one is web browser. Web browser means we already use different types of web browsers like Internet Explorer, then Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape, like that, Opera Mini. So here a program or software on a client computer that retrieves the information from the web, that is called a web browser. It's a program or a software on a client computer, means our computer that retrieves the information from the web. So from the web we can get anything only through the web browser. So next one is web client. Web client means it's a program or component on a client side that requests and uses service provided by the web server. So web client, for an example of web client means our web browser, means through this web browser we can make a request to the web server, then we get the response from that web server. That is called a web client. Web client, normal client means that request service to the server. So web client means it's a web client program or a component on a client side request and uses a service provided by the web server. So web client is requested to web server. Next one is URL. So URL we already study, uniform resource locator. It's a unique address of the web page on the internet. So for example www facebook.com, that's a URL. So it is a uniform resource locator. it's identified, it's an address of the web page on the